this video, Damien learns to surf in La Union. We stay at a beach resort. We eat some of the best Greek food in the Philippines. All right near the beach, boy! Damien and I went to San Juan, La Union in the Philippines for some surfing lessons. We took a road trip from the capital, Manila, to San Juan, La Union, the surfing capital of the northern Philippines. It was a long journey and we arrived at night. I was super excited to check into our resort, the Escape San Juan. You know, I was really expecting a great experience due to the price of the room that we got at $200 a night. When we got there, I was really surprised on how our $200 a night room was really light. First of all, the room was quite small since it was allotted for 6 people. Although, Damien really liked his little booth apartment.
Hey guys, this is a tour of my apartment. Okay, so this is where I just solved Rubik's Cube. And this is where I play my game, my iPad.
And you got your own charger?
Yeah.
There's the outlet and the light.
Then we noticed an odor coming from the restroom. Here's my brother from another mother, JC, to explain.
The bathroom stinks. The drainage system doesn't seem to work.
It drains, but there's a odor, right?
Yeah, there's an odor. Yeah, that's why they have pipes here. Because it feels like you're in the sewers.
The restroom in itself looked like it should have been in a $25 a night. It was super basic. The shower didn't have a partition, nor did it even have a shower curtain. So after each shower, the toilet was completely soaked. There were no supplies as well. I asked for some soap, and the front desk told me to go across the street to buy some. Remember, $200 a night. Then came bedtime. I find out that right outside our bedroom was a super bright floodlight illuminating the driveway. Our $200 a night room's single window had the sheerest of curtains. The room was effectively lit up all night long. I didn't even sleep a wink. When I got up, I met the owner of the place and I told him the problem.
Okay, so we're here in front of our room. We did have a fix right there. I talked to the owner of the place who I met. We just pulled up and they parked like right in front of our room, right as I was just hanging out and trying to get somebody to do something about that. So I just talked to the owner and he definitely helped me out. Got their folks to put that on the window. On the inside, looks like a legit hotel now, fully blacked out. I think tonight is gonna be a much better night for my sleep.
So that was the solution. We had a box taped to the window. So luxurious. You know, our $200 a night stay didn't even include a complimentary breakfast. But since I complained about the room, the owner decided to give us a free breakfast anyway. It was a okay Filipino breakfast of longanisa, which is the local breakfast sausage. The view, on the other hand, elevated it to another level. Overall, I do not recommend staying at the Escape in San Juan. The room and service we had is at about a $50 to $75 level, not $200. Nowhere near. Bad resort aside, we then went to Bacnotan Beach upon the recommendation of our friends. When we arrived, we had the whole beach to ourselves. No one else was there. No surf instructors either. So we just decided to go swimming in our own private beach. Overall, it was a great beach morning with some great friends. After our morning at the beach, we decided to go get some lunch. Boy, were we in for a treat. We decided to go eat at the great big white and blue Greek place called Gefsis or Gefsais. I still don't know how to pronounce it. Name aside, this is a truly authentic Greek restaurant in the Philippines. It was truly surprising how good all the dishes were. Every single dish was pretty much excellent and authentic. For appetizers, we got the Greek village sausage at $240 PHP or $439 USD.
So this is appetizer sausage, Greek sausage.
You can tell by his eyes.
As well as the cheese croquettes, also at $240 PHP or $439 USD. JC got the beef souvlaki platter at $340 PHP or $622 USD. Kai, his wife, got the Greek lasagna, which she said was excellent. I got the lamb souvlaki platter, which was at 390 PHP or 713 USD.
Here we go. Legit, juicy, lamby, great.
My buddy Dave got the Mediterranean seafood pasta. This, honestly, was the star of the show. It was a black squid ink pasta complete with octopus, calamari, mussels, and shrimp. After lunch, we returned to our overpriced resort, the Escape San Juan, to rest and relax. Damien and his uncle JC decided to have a sunset boxing lesson on the rooftop of our resort, right up against epic sunset views of the South China Sea. Here's Damien sharpening up on his combos. Truly epic. We then ended the day by going to Chu's Diner, a Japanese-owned Japanese restaurant in San Juan. Another excellent find. Everything we ordered was excellent and authentic as well. The next day, we started out really early and booked a surfing lesson for the super cheap rate of 500 pesos for an hour. That's $9.50. Damien got his first lowdown on how to catch waves. Apparently, he's a natural. He was able to catch 8 waves in his hour-long lesson. Way more than me and his Uncle JC. Here's Uncle JC hanging 10 as well. Overall, we had a great time in San Juan, La Union. I think if you're ever in the Philippines and if you want to learn to surf, this is the place to go. The instructors really know how to teach. They charge only about $10. You'd have to pay at least $100 an hour in Waikiki for a private surf lesson. Thanks for tuning in all the way to this part of the video. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to see more. Thanks.